Hello, it's just taken me 3 hours to get this clutch master cylinder out of the car, and by far and away the most difficult part of the process was this plastic clip. So I thought I'd make a quick YouTube video to show you what's involved. This is how the cylinder attaches to the pedal. Okay, so this is the bit you see from inside the engine bay once you've taken out the plastic cowl, where you've got to take the wipers off, take the plastic cowl off, then you can see it down behind the reservoir, which is a shared reservoir, and this is what you see inside the car. But what you don't see is the clip, because that's inside the pedal, and the way it attaches into the pedal is on these two catches. So it's like a push fit. You push it in, it clicks out, and it's held in place by these two catches. Okay? Now, when it comes to releasing this, that's when the problems start, because what you've got is the rod in the centre of the clip, and it stops you from squeezing the clip together sufficiently enough to release these catches. Now, there's a couple of aspects to this. This rod has actually got a flattened section. So if the rod is in that position, you're really not going to be able to close the clip enough. Can you see that? Because that's the full width of the rod, and that really does stop the clip from closing. If you're able to turn the rod like that, you've got a bit more movement on the clip. You might be able to get it out. What I did was I disconnected the pipes from inside the car. Okay, so I pulled the pipe off here. This is the pipe from the reservoir, attaches onto here. I actually took it off at the reservoir end, it's easier to get to, so I pulled the whole lot through. There was a black pipe on the end of here, so I just pulled that through. There's a speed connection here. This is the hose that goes to the slave cylinder. You just have to reach down. It's a little bit tricky, but you just have to reach down, get a screwdriver onto the end of that clip and just shove it over. Once you've opened it up, you can get the screwdriver in there and pull it all the way, and then use the screwdriver just to put the blade in, twist it slightly just to ease the pipe out of there. Okay, so once you've got the master cylinder disconnected from the tubes from inside the engine bay, you then go back into the footwell of the car and you pull it through, and then what you do is you just pull the whole thing down. Okay, now you can see what happens is that the rod is completely free from inside the clip. So then when you go to squeeze the clip, you've got even more movement. You can do that, and then you can release these catches. Okay, so that's what I did. I hope that helps. Tricky job, not very pleasant, but it's really, really tough when you just can't see what's going on, and I couldn't find anything on YouTube to help me with that, so I thought I'd make a video. Okay, good luck with it. Bye.